everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete payment method on DoorDash. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your default payment method on DoorDash as a consumer, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser and make sure that you're logged into your DoorDash account. Here I have my DoorDash account logged in. From the main home page, go and click on the horizontal bars at the top left-hand corner. From the options displayed, select Payment. If you've set any payment method, you'll be able to see them right here on the screen. You'll be able to see a 3 dot right next to a payment method that you've selected. Simply give it a click and click on the delete button. Confirm your deletion and that way you'll be able to delete your DoorDash payment method. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.